नमस्कार, मेरा नाम कैप्टन राहुल नेगी है। आई एम मास्टर मरीनर। लास्ट 10 years आई एम ऑन शो। बचपन से मुझे जियो पोलिटिकल सिचुएशंस हमेशा बहुत इंटरेस्ट किए एंड इट वाज अ करियर कंपल्शन कि मैंने साइंस लिया, अदरवाइज आई वुड हैव डेफिनेटली बी अ ह्यूमैनिटीज स्टूडेंट। रीज़न फॉर दैट आई थिंक इज़ माई फादर्स प्रोफेशन। My father was in Ministry of Home Affairs. That's what he has told us from childhood, and we had followed that in all our conversations with the people. So he was an intelligence bureau deputy director. He retired as a deputy director, and 8 years of his career he has handled Indo-China. I mean all the borders except for the India-Pakistan border. So he was in charge from the MHA side on all those borders. And with present scenarios जहाँ पे सोशल मीडिया ज्ञान बहुत चल रहा है और जो एक्सपर्ट्स का ज्ञान भी आता है वो बहुत ज़्यादा एजेंडा में होता है या फिर देयर इज़ इट्स नॉट अ न्यूट्रल और पर्सपेक्टिव विच वी शुड बी गेटिंग. So I thought it's a time. Now I had convinced my dad to speak on the topics, especially when he is the person who has really seen the ground realities and put in the motion a lot of policies of India. So let me introduce my father, Mr. Jaikrit Singh Negi. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you for agreeing at least to speak on the topics and coming out of your intelligence bureau compulsions. तो बाबा ये अगर बात करें जो आजकल हम लोग काफ़ी ज्ञान सुनते हैं, सोशल मीडिया में तो अलग ही है और मीडिया में तो अलग ही है, तो ये इशू है क्या इंडिया चाइना बॉर्डर का? अगर कोर इशू मैं कहूँ बेसिकली अगर किसी को समझाना है तो है क्या इशू?
The core issue is that the boundary is not defined except in Sikkim. And the boundary, India-China boundary is not very clearly defined.
Okay.
And it is divided, the border is divided into 3 sectors. Western, middle and eastern sector. Western sector is covered Ladakh. Himachal and Uttaranchal are in the middle sector. Eastern sector is Sikkim and Arunachal Pradesh.
Okay.
The western sector, which we have been following since past pre-independence, was Johnson Line and MacArthur Line.
Okay.
Middle sector is on the natural basis, watershed principle,
Natural boundaries.
conventional watershed principle. Eastern sector is in 2 parts, which I have already told. One is Sikkim. That is a treaty signed between the British India and the China in 1890, which was subsequently ratified by the Kingdom of Sikkim and the Tibet.
Okay.
In
Tibet was
19
separate from the China at that
No,
time.
they were part of, at that time it was part of China.
Okay.
In 1911 it became separate from China, and again China captured it in 1949. So later on in 1956 the Sikkim and Tibet also, Lhasa also ratified the 1890 agreement.
Okay.
So the boundary is defined there. Although there are as minor disputes, this thing, that thing.
Okay.
Then the Arunachal border, eastern sector Arunachal, earlier known as NEFA, is by McMahon Line.
Okay. Okay.
McMahon Line was drawn by Mr. McMahon, and this was discussed in the Simla Convention in 1914-15,
Okay.
which China although attended, but later on boycotted it,
So I
and
just
did not sign the, did not absconded in signing the Simla Agreement.
मैं थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे एक चीज़ पूछना चाहूँगा. जब हम चाइना की बात कर रहे हैं फॉर शिमला ये बनी, आर वी टॉकिंग द PRC और ROC? वी आर टॉकिंग रिपब्लिक ऑफ चाइना, राइट? ROC of that time,
Old.
and that is what the Taiwan is. Why I want to say this, because a lot of people are running this campaign कि boycott Chinese product, take Taiwanese product.
No, no.
Taiwan by ROC only, they don't recognize these borders as India's territories, right?
So Simla Convention was, the agreement in Simla Convention was signed between India and Tibet. China absconded.
They came but they did not sign.
They did not sign.
Achha, okay.
So northeast Nepal border is governed by, or Arunachal border is with China is governed by this McMahon line.
Achha.
According to we, they don't accept it because they did not this thing. But
तो वो क्या follow करना चाहिए?
now I am coming. Now the question is that after 62 war,
Hmm.
the question came that there is border is disputed.
Hmm.
There are so many disputed pockets. They said that it will be LAC, line of actual control.
Okay.
So even the dispute is over the actual control, line of actual control,
The present dispute है line of action.
like line of actual control.
और LOP line of patrolling.
LOP is different. LOP is only for our forces.
Achha.
LOP is
That is a
that is
command
that
level,
it is an
agreement.
internal matter of the India.
Okay.
Okay, how and who should where and how to go there.
Okay. Okay.
In the extreme boundaries, go or not go. That is a different issue.
Okay. Okay. So मैं
So
हाँ तो इसमें सोल्यूशन क्या है अभी जो प्रैक्टिकल अभी अगर मैं कहूँ ग्राउंड में अब ठीक है देखो यहाँ तो हमारे बहुत आम चेयर वो हैं क्या नाम है इसका वॉरियर्स हैं जो कि मतलब अभी कहते हैं कि जी हमला कर दो वहाँ पे भी कहते हैं जी हमला कर दो और ख़त्म कर दो चीज़ों को Now let's take a breather from there and what is how do we solve this issue? Is it solvable for
no, the problem I am telling you, what China claims or what the expert says.
एक छोटा सा और
China has boundary.
बात करते हैं।
China has boundary with 14 countries.
हम्म,
It has resolved boundary with all the countries,
हम्म,
whether by dictation or by whatever is there. This thing. Only Bhutan and India they could not sign so far. Not this thing.
Russia is completely solved.
Russia is not different.
1991
That is
हम्म,
now 14 countries they are having the boundary,
okay.
and with India everywhere there is a dispute. They have created the dispute of tri-junction.
Okay. तो वो तो पहाड़ों वाला हिसाब ना जो
Then a tri-junction when the boundary
Wait,
when the
कहाँ पे?
Indian boundary goes right to Afghanistan,
Hmm.
particularly POK.
हम्म,
So they have signed an agreement with the Pakistan in 1962-63,
हम्म,
in which Pakistan has given 5,100 square kilometer ceded to the China.
but how वो भी
Why?
issue
That's what
है,
I'm
वो
telling.
कैसे
That
कर
issue is
दिया?
that they cannot do it because POK is a disputed territory between India and Pakistan,
Correct.
and that agreement, China knows it. That agreement cannot be internationally valid.
अच्छा, तो वो तो मतलब एक
That's why in everywhere China is supporting Pakistan
okay.
because Pakistan has also given them their port,
Chawar.
our port, and that will be going a pipeline is going right up to connecting their Xinjiang province.
No, they are trying to solve their energy issues.
They have already solved the boundary issue with Myanmar, and the Myanmar has also given them the pipeline, this thing from Bay of Bengal to Yunnan province. So their gas or petrol etc. that is passing through. Similarly, this will pass through this. The Chinese problem in Ladakh is whatever is the Galwan Valley or whatever you say. There is that you are to divert your attention in any case because that tunnel will pass through the POK and our presence in Siachen is not acceptable to them.
ओके ओके सो मुझे एक बात और जो मेरे को एक छोटा सा इसमें मैं एड्रेस करने के लिए बोलूँगा बाकी जगह पे पॉकेट्स हैं ये नाथुला साइड में पॉकेट्स का कि भाई ये नहीं हमारी यहाँ तक बाउंड्री है
नाथुला में एक डिस्प्यूट नहीं है.
नहीं जो 67 वाला हुआ था कि भाई उन्होंने कहा रिवर का इस साइड हमारा है इस साइड हमारा अभी भी यही चल रही है
अभी भी वो चल
लेकिन इतना बड़ा अक्साई चल इतना बड़ा एरिया वो कैसे डिस्प्यूट में हो सकता है हाउ कैन वी हैव अ डिफरेंट बाउंड्री कंसेप्ट एंड दे हैव अ डिफरेंट
that I
इट्स नॉट
that
501
that I told you
kilometer
that during British period the Johnson line and the McDonald MacArthur line there is a differences between them,
ओके
the two lines.
ओके
China has never given its mindset where and up to where their boundary is coming
Till now.
till now
सो
they only claim but
एक
they
बार
are not given any map
एक बार किया था 2005-6 में, आप ये टाइम पे मैप एक्सचेंज हुआ था एक बार।
नहीं, वो तो मिडिल सेक्टर के में, LAC के में।
वो भी विड्रॉ कर लिया था
नहीं, विड्रॉ नहीं है वो तो मिडिल सेक्टर में तो डिस्प्यूट है, तो आइडेंटिफाइड डिस्प्यूटेड पॉकेट इज ऑन बाड़ावती इन डिस्ट्रिक्ट चमोली। देयर इज नथिंग।
India has always been given its perception, always the map.
We have said that no, we are right up to Tunjungla. They are coming some 15-20 kilometer inside the Badavati from Tunjungla.
Okay, okay. तो अभी solution क्या है इसका? Politically अगर bureaucratically बोलूँ तो what are bureaucrats like?
See,
you
forces cannot be a solution. Forces can only protect the boundary. It is the government of the both sides which has to agree to it. कि where the boundary is there. The problem is that China has not given so far its map. Even about the LAC, they say there is a letter written by Chow En Lai to the Nehru, Pandit Nehru, our Prime Minister Pandit Nehru, in that is of 7th November 1959, which he said that they claim whole of Arunachal Pradesh as far as the boundary is concerned, as part of Tibet. But as far as LAC is concerned, they say that so-called illegal McMahon line is the line of actual control. But the problem is that the perception of the both sides, I mean to say they don't agree with where is the line drawn, McMahon line is drawn there. They have a different perception.
Okay. Okay.
So that's why there are 6-7 pockets, disputed pockets in Arunachal Pradesh.
एक बार आपने बहुत पहले कहा था कि जब हमने अपना जो मेजरमेंट सिस्टम है फ्रॉम इंपीरियल टू मेट्रिक में लेके आए, so in fact you know that such a basic thing actually was also one of the
that is a difference, that is a issue. Both sides
maps को लेके
मतलब
मैपिंग
the contours given by imperial system and then they were converted into metric system. There is a difference among them, sir.
Okay. वो तो inherently हो गई
हाँ,
because measurement systems
हाँ, measurement system से तो उसमें so that is on our side. But the point is that their line, their perception of map is different.
अच्छा.
In so many places they are just like in Upper Subansiri area, that is the Longju and Asafil area. They have already come inside up to 10 km long back.
Okay. Okay.
Same thing happened in the Tawang district, where the Sondramchu and Namkachu valley they have this thing. No, this is the McMahon line. Whereas we say that it is a watershed principle, so hilltop will be the watershed, na?
So अगर मैं
Same thing is in the Asafila and Longju road, and also in the Fistel area.
There is a very old saying that no war has been fought without economical reasons, right? So I want to understand what is the economic reason in the Ladakh side, in the Aksai Chin side, where एक तो बात होगी कि भाई आप ऊपर से आपका वो POK का अपना वो डिस्टर्ब नहीं करना चाहते हैं, they want Indian attention there. Apart from there, is it to do with the natural resources also there?
Besides natural resources, there is a economic problem. China in Asia, China and India are the two countries which are in size, they are larger countries.
Big population.
Big population as well as big size also. So economically, China does not want that India compete with it economically. That's why during 90s, it was said that there is a conspiracy theory of China, economic conspiracy theory of China, of encirclement of India. That's why they could not win over Bhutan so far. But Bhutan is not ready to have this thing. Even for boundary issue, they don't come.
तो consulate भी नहीं रहता ना अपना वहाँ पर चाइना में, वो इंडिया के थ्रू ही कम्युनिकेट.
हाँ, अभी इंडिया के थ्रू ही कम्युनिकेट होता है. But now they have established the diplomatic relations which I have been told, and the Chinese ambassador in India is also ambassador for Bhutan.
अच्छा, okay.
Co.
को
commerce.
Okay.
So economically, they have economically got favor from Nepal, Bangladesh, Myanmar. Although there are some changes when the government changes there, and Pakistan is well known.
Pakistan is the government तो एक वो है एक
No, but
establishment
Pakistan,
है।
whosoever comes, it is a pro-Chinese.
Yeah, वो तो actually पाकिस्तान तो political face है ना, बाकी तो establishment आगे हुए
What
हैं।
Sri Lanka says, what Sri Lanka is there. Their port has been given to on contract or contractual basis to the China. And what India says, the Indian Ocean should not be treated as India's ocean.
Who says that?
China
हाँ, पाकिस्तान का भी है, they also don't want India Ocean to be named India Ocean. There was some
China
campaign
say
there.
that Indian Ocean is not India's ocean.
Yeah.
That's why they have ports, etc. in ports, this thing contractual basis are being maintained by in Mauritius and Sri Lanka by China.
मैं आपसे ना श्रीलंका तो एक बार बाद में डिस्कस करूँगा।
Even
बड़ी interesting
economically
story
they
होगी।
have a Bangladesh relations with Bangladesh.
नहीं, मैं आपसे वो इनके उसके बाद में
नहीं you
किसी और
you
उसके
wanted
बाद में
नहीं
बात
just
करेंगे।
I
पर
am
मेरे को एक चीज़ जो ये पूरी बात है क्योंकि कहीं ना कहीं मुझे ऐसा लगा कि let's start from 50s, you know, 50s when I'll say कि we were very confused. I mean our approach I felt was very confused. You know, of course आज की डेट में आप सोशल मीडिया में जाओ तो वो एक स्टिग्मेशन कर दिया उन्होंने कि भाई नेहरू ने ये क्या नेहरू ने वो क्या. I will not talk about that because there is no point of blaming somebody. It's India's government fault. India's government lack of application at that time. So why 50s we were like this? What happened in 50s? And why we were so confused in our approach towards China especially?
See, immediately after independence, the Indian policy, economic policy has been a mixed economy. Or more I will say, if not communist, it was a socialistic.
Yeah, okay.
Social reforms or socialistic
Yes.
economic policy. So at that time, and China was also a developing country, like us,
Correct.
because communism came there in 1949
Yeah.
with full support from USSR,
Correct.
the erstwhile USSR.
Exactly. That's the beginning of Cold War.
हाँ.
A lot of people say that's
हाँ.
the beginning of the Cold War.
Beginning of the Cold War.
War and
between
Korea
the-
War is the beginning of the Cold War.
हाँ, so that was the main thing. And then what happened that Indian policy being a pro-leftist, I won't say leftist, but pro-socialist policy. It was that we have been taking that and the way the Chow En-lai and Nehru has met, Hindi Chini Bhai Bhai, India and China became friend. Even we signed the Panchsheel, we were the main this thing, Panchsheel agreement.
Yeah.
We were
We
both
initiated.
China and India were the main this thing. We came to know later on, and particularly when we gave shelter to the Dalai Lama.
But that's another confusion. But Panchsheel का एक principle ये कहता है कि आप internal matter में नहीं जाओगे.
हाँ,
1954 when the China annexed Tibet, India was the first country to.
Tibet 49,
Okay, so India in
49, 50.
Okay, but India was the first country. I believe it's correct.
India was the first and the only country at that time
to recognize
to
it.
recognize the Chinese occupation of the
Of
Tibet.
Tibet and to be legal and correct.
Correct.
Correct. Now we signed Panchsheel after that. We say that we will not come into your internal matters, right? Then 59 में जब दलाई लामा आ जाता है वहाँ से, तो हम उसको शरण देते हैं. आज की डेट में हमने उनकी प्रोविजनल गवर्नमेंट चला रहे हैं, राइट? धर्मशाला इज अ प्रोविजनल गवर्नमेंट फॉर द दिस थिंग. आप धर्मशाला के बारे में मेरे ख्याल से
Government in exile.
गवर्नमेंट इन एक्सेल धर्मशाला के बारे में मेरे ख्याल से
So-
दुनिया में शायद आपसे ज़्यादा
You-
कोई जानता नहीं होगा. वहाँ क्या
You will
हुआ
be
है.
surprised that he came early 1959 to India. We gave him shelter. He came via Tawang. First he was given shelter for settling in India at Mussoorie. Then later on he said that it is better to go for McLeodganj, Dharamsala. Okay, so that was there. So and thereafter,
Aren't we not following Panchsheel at that time?
We were following Panchsheel, but it was never thought that giving shelter will be taken by China as a this thing, revolt. Because 1949 for 8 to 10 years, Dalai Lama was with them. Although in 54 he came and wanted to take shelter, but
We send him back that time. या फिर क्या हुआ?
immediately the Chow En Lai came to Nepal at that time, and then there has been some conversation, as people say.
Okay. ना वो जो आपकी दोस्तों वाली कहानी
हाँ,
जो आपके
हाँ, तो कि मतलब दोस्ती जो है हमें रखनी है, तो इसको आप नहीं देंगे, तो नेहरू ने नहीं किया. तो हमने इंडिया गेव शेल्टर टू हिम इन 1959, and immediately after 59, the first incident which led to India-China conflict, border conflict, happened in 21st October 1959 at
उसमें क्या हुआ था?
Ladakh in the hot spring.
अच्छा, तो वहाँ पे क्या हुआ?
From our Phovrang post, the CRPF personnel and the team, ITBF, Indo-Tibet Border Force, not police.
Okay.
ITBP was not then. So ITBF and they went on patrolling to Hot Spring.
You're saying intelligence bureau basically.
अभी भी है.
Okay.
They went for patrolling, in which 19 persons were killed, police persons, CRPF persons, and ITBF persons, TP नहीं, BF. 19 persons were killed, and it is in that memory that 21st October is celebrated as the All India Police Day, Police Memorial Day, and Police Memorial is in Chanakyapuram.
चाणक्यपुरी में वो मजे की बात है, चाणक्यपुरी में पंचशील मार्ग के सामने ही है.
पंचशील मार्ग के सामने, थाने के सामने,
हाँ, तो
and I was the enemy.
हाँ, वो तो चलो वो तो हमको पता है, उसको चलो आगे बढ़ाते हैं. उसको क्या था?
So that was the beginning of the conflict, and the conflict went to peak in 1962, and that too happened in October 62 conflict, and then only we came to know in 59, 58, 59 that China has captured the northeastern portion of Ladakh, which we call Akshay Chowk.
और रोड का मैप जो निकाल दिया था ना, मैप में रोड.
And they have already constructed a road, and we were not able to understand when. From they connected the Xinjiang province,
आपने ये forward post policy-
Xinjiang province to Tibet.
तो ये हमने फॉरवर्ड पोस्ट पॉलिसीज जो चलाई थी, ठीक है. एंड एज पर आई थिंक आपने एक बार बताया भी था कि भाई वो एक्चुअली आईबी वाले मैन करते थे उसको.
नहीं, वो 1952 में the IB chief wrote to the PM.
The IB chief from that time till 2003, I think he was the head of all the paramilitary forces in India.
No. Paramilitary force तो थी नहीं, only CRPF था.
Okay.
Only CRPF was there. After
CRPF
62
was also reporting to DIB only.
No, CRPF was only your protective element. They were,
अच्छा, मतलब they were just
they were just your protection.
IB is not a foreign force.
CRP is like that as it today.
अच्छा.
Whenever there is a need, they go.
They will come. That's a reserve police force basically.
Central Reserve Police Force
Okay.
under central government.
They are for policing, not
They are
for
policing,
not for the armed forces नहीं है वो. That's a policing
Paramilitary force है.
Yeah. Okay.
So
मैं अगर ये बोलूँ
तो
अभी,
वो जो है जब वो फॉरवर्ड पॉलिसी बनाई थी तो उसमें पोस्टिंग खोलने का हुआ था. 30 posts were opened. Border posts were opened and protection was given by CRP. Now the border guarding force, one border, one
नहीं
border.
अभी तो खैर we have ITBP, we
ITBP.
have special force also, SSB भी है.
नहीं, one border, one force.
One border.
ITBP
Okay.
is Sino-Indian border,
हाँ,
Nepal Bhutan border SSB,
हाँ, नेपाल.
Pak and this border,
BSF.
Bangladesh border BSF, Myanmar border Assam Rifle.
So मेरे को अगर हम समझने की बात करें कि भाई ये जो 50s की पॉलिसी रही हमारी, तो मुझे ऐसा लगा कि एक एक पर्सन वांटेड टू बी अ विजनरी, एंड एक उस विजन में आई थिंक बहुत ऑर्गेनाइजेशनली अगर मैं बोलूँ कि ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के बारे में बात कर सकता हूँ मैं कि ये बड़ा एक वीक काइंड ऑफ पॉलिसी लगी मेरे को कि आपने ग्राउंड में पूछा ही नहीं कि लोगों से कि हम जो पॉलिसी अपना रहे हैं फॉरवर्ड पॉलिसी की हमारे पास आर्मी की तैयारी थी हमारी फोर्सेस की तैयारी थी नहीं कुछ ठीक है हमने पंचशील साइन करके आ गए हम क्या बोलते हैं एग्रीमेंट साइन करके हम क्या बोलते हैं एक यू नो पॉलिटिकली हम इंगेज कर रहे हैं दूसरे से लेकिन हमको ग्राउंड रियलिटी के बारे में पता ही नहीं चल रहा कि ग्राउंड में कुछ और है
Yes.
राइट सो इतना डिसिंक्रोनाइजेशन क्यों था फिर
Because we never thought it that our neighboring there will be problems from our neighbor. We have been taking only after partition only Kashmir was a problem. Immediately problem was that of the Kashmir and the question was that whether it is it should be in Pakistan or it should be in India.
एक जो मेरे ख्याल से सभी को बड़ा सरप्राइज होगा जो मुझे भी बहुत सरप्राइज हुआ था जब आपने मुझे बताई थी ये बात कि टिल 65 द कश्मीर एंड अरुणाचल
Till 64,
नेफा और तवांग एरिया 64
No, Tawang nahi Nefa.
नेफा में was handled by MEA.
Yes.
Now if it is a part of India और हम लोगों का हमेशा रहे कि अखंड पार्ट ऑफ इंडिया रहा है वो चीज़ तो इंटीग्रल पार्ट ऑफ इंडिया तो हाउ कैन MHA नॉट हैंडल इट व्हाई MEA इज हैंडलिंग इट
It may be because the during our first Prime Minister's time, the External Affairs Ministry was under him. So he has all rights to under the allocation of business rules to keep certain subjects with him.
या बट दैट इज गिविंग अ रॉयल पोस्चरिंग टू द अदर्स
Maybe
क्योंकि आप खुद ही कह रहे हो कि ये एक्सटर्नल अफेयर मिनिस्ट्री हैंडल करेगी इसको तो ये
that's what
मतलब मेरे अगर सारे देश हैदराबाद
There-
अगर MHA हैंडल करता है तो व्हाई नॉट दीस प्लेसेस
Hyderabad, Junagadh, they were handled by a minister. So that was another problem, very typical one.
Okay. So moving ahead, Papa, just to be concise on this, do you think the pressure is there on China right now because of one is the COVID part also, which has come in?
The pressure is of course there, no doubt.
जो ये posturing जो कर रहे हैं, is it just a chest thumping posturing and it will die down after, मतलब it will settle down after 1-2 months of halla gulla because already signs are there that they don't want to take it ahead beyond
See,
this.
question is there. Both the countries, or even today, no country in the world will go for a war. War has a very serious consequences. So ultimately that will be there, but of course there is a policy, there is a
Posturing.
posturing how to build a pressure on China. Ki be proper, particularly because of the COVID one, this thing, its position is quite different. Or all European and the American even are not in its favor.
Okay.
Even Russia is not directly favoring it.
Russia was very interesting.
But our problem is that, India's problem is that our neighbors, is very difficult to this thing. See, recently what the Nepal is doing. Pakistan
I
is...
actually have some questions, so मैं उसी में देख रहा था उसको मैंने कुछ नोट किया था आपके लिए हाँ sorry बताइए
So what Nepal is doing, what Nepal has done, it has been going even during previous governments. Nepal has given the construction of border roads, its border road on India-Nepal border to the China, and to India they have given on a different side, not on China border even, but mid-Nepal. Their preference is, particularly after the Maoist governments in Nepal, their preference is for pro-Chinese.
ना वो तो that
है ना?
but they are also facing now एक तरफ तो यहाँ posture कर रहे हैं बीच में China tourism ministry has claimed to Mount Everest to be on their side आपको पता है इस चीज़ का
हाँ.
they took out that tweet after that
Yes.
they have claimed it and then उसके बाद they took out the tweet.
It may be their theory to build a pressure on Nepal, and immediately thereafter they started claiming border dispute with you.
Immediately, yeah. उसके बाद immediately इन्होंने
And now they have stopped the repair of the that dam in Champaran district. And today's morning news or yesterday night news was that they have stopped the Indians visiting to Nepal. They are not allowed. Free movement is not allowed for India. Whereas India has not stopped it. For Nepal is coming to India.
नेपाल का थोड़ा सा आई थिंक ये कब की बात है, एक बार मिड 2000s में ही देयर वाज वन टाइम व्हेन दे सेड कि हमें अगर इंडिया से वेपन लेंगे तो हम फ्री में लेंगे, वी विल नॉट पे फॉर इट. कुछ मैं रिमेंबर दैट दे वर रेडी टू टेक इट आउट, टेक इट फ्रॉम चाइना.
For whom?
वो मायोइस्ट के अगेंस्ट चल रहा था ना उस समय. तो उस समय तो वो वाला टाइम था जब मायोइस्ट के अगेंस्ट चल रहा था.
वो तो खैर
अब तो खैर वो
इंटरनल.
हाँ, इंटरनल उसके लिए उन्होंने कहा कि अगर हम लेते हैं इसके लिए, अगर हम वेपनरी लेते हैं इंडिया से, तो it will be without any cost. It's like a big brother relation. If we have to pay, we'll take it from China.
Even they developed ports in Bangladesh also. So that
ठीक है, वो देखो बांग्लादेश श्रीलंका इज अ वेरी डिफरेंट थिंग ऑल टुगेदर. श्रीलंका एंड बांग्लादेश का फिर भी समझ में आता है. श्रीलंका में एक रिलीजियस एंगल भी है, एंड दिस हैड बीन आस्किंग लॉट ऑफ श्रीलंकन्स दैट because in circle there are a lot of Sri Lankans, and when I asked them that how
Buddhist,
how being a Buddhist country, you know, how do you allow China to come in? They said no, internally there is a lot of pressure on the government because Buddhist monks वगैरह ने काफ़ी वहाँ पे वो किया है, बट ये है कि मीडिया दिखाता नहीं. एंड मीडिया अगर मैं थोड़ी बहुत बात करूँ तो इनफैक्ट ये एक बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग सी बात थी. मीडिया ने, इज इट दैट मीडिया इज गेटिंग इट्स इनपुट ऑल्सो फ्रॉम चाइना, मोस्ट ऑफ द मीडिया? बिकॉज मैं एक छोटा सा एक आपको अगर वो पूछूँ, आज की डेट तक 90% ऑफ इंडिया, तो जिनको पता है वो डोकलाम को डोकलाम बोलते हैं.
Dokala.
And it is Dokala. Indian name is Dokala. So how come we are having a narrative from the Chinese side? Because the name itself is Dokala.
Even what is the issue in Dokala? They want to cross towards Bhutanese territory.
So that is coming closer to that chicken head, not chicken neck.
Chicken head.
चिकन हेड. चिकन नेक तो खैर वो हमारे वहाँ पे क्या नाम है इसका, यहाँ डिस्कस हो गया था. चिकन नेक को छोड़ दो, अब चिकन हेड की बात करेंगे. तो चिकन हेड का बेसिकली उनका वो है.
That is there, basic that is there, but they cannot go without this thing. Another thing is that the Bhutan is also very cautious. Although Bhutanese boundary is normally the responsibility of India to protect it, according to that
Protectorate Act जो है.
So protect it not, but agreement.
That is inherited from the British.
No,
British,
even in that is this thing that has been converted into 1948-49 in India-Bhutan treaty. But Bhutan is not very closely coming, very openly coming against China. It has its own problems because the North Bhutan is also in a disputed territory along with on the same pattern as in Nepal or Arunachal. So North Bhutan questions they claim.
Keep it concise because now I think we have to keep the concise also for two questions to end with. One is, first question is morale of the forces, right? As you know, हमको 70s 80s में एक बड़ा अच्छा 70s 80s के एक डायलॉग्स होते थे, लोग कहते थे, और कंफर्म भी किया है, फैमिली तो पूरी है ही फौज में. तो जब उनसे ही बात होती थी तो एक ही चीज़ बोलते थे कि यार हम बैटलफील्ड में कुछ भी जीत के आ जाए, नेगोशिएशन टेबल में हमारे पॉलिटिशियंस वो हार के आ जाते हैं, चाहे कुछ भी हो.
Of course, that is there.
So why is it like this?
That is there. No doubt. What I am telling you is the forces. See about the boundary or the border.
But just before I answer, I just want to ask. I want to add on to that question, including our biggest win in 1971. I am talking about. We could not get anything out of it. 7 साल के बाद जिस कंट्री ने इतना बड़ा सरेंडर किया, वो हमारे सामने नाक से नाक मिला के खड़ी हो सकती है बाबा. So there is something wrong with the way we are tackling it.
No, even at that time it was something, as the media reports or the gossip was there, that India proposed the CFL, which is now called LOC.
Okay.
Earlier it was ceasefire line
Correct.
between Pakistan and India in Kashmir.
Hmm.
So that CFL should be the boundary between the India and Pakistan.
तो इंटरनेशनल IB कर दो उसको, इंटरनेशनल
Boundary
बाउंड्री
कर दो. And the Bhutto started weeping before the Indira Gandhi. It was said at that time.
वो तो कहते थे कि भाई मेरे को अगर मैं ये लेके जाऊंगा तो मेरा दोबारा कूप हो जाएगा, ये हो जाएगा.
हाँ, we just joined the government servant. We were just a collegiate at that time. More or less we are thinking on the college lines.
तो हमारे उसमें गैली न्यूज़ नाम की चीज़ होती है जो कि ना वो
हाँ. So
Delhi में
at that
जाके
time,
पता
what
चलता है.
the 71 that 72 this Simla agreement. This at that time it was said that Bhutto is wept before this thing, Mrs. Gandhi. And she somehow or the other agreed with him that he should not weep, rather we should agree.
तो इमोशनल.
So it became from then it became LOC.
So तो थोड़ा पर्सनालिटी सेंट्रिक हमारे इश्यूज जो हैं वहाँ पे जाके गुम हो जाता है.
And another thing is this, see whatever you see in the media forces, or see what is there. There is one boundary. Boundary is the subject of which ministry? Can you think?
बताओ.
Boundary is the subject of, or with China LAC is the subject of Ministry of External Affairs.
तो वो बाउंड्री तो हर एक का MEA का नहीं है. हर एक
And who demarcates the boundary? Survey of India, which is under the Ministry of Technology. And who is the border management subject? Ministry of Home Affairs. And if something happens grave,
comes in.
then who comes?
MOD comes in.
MOD. And the three wings of the forces.
Okay.
So what you are telling, who decides then? Then the political,
No, but deciding it,
the leadership will
giving it
decide.
out, देखो.
Then leadership will decide
हाँ.
कि when should they go.
करेक्ट. बट नहीं, मैं कह रहा हूँ जो जीत के आ रहे हैं आप उसके बाद जैसे आप
नहीं, जो लोग कहते हैं ना कि
पंजाब तक हम जो ले गए थे.
नहीं लोग कहते हैं हमने वहाँ तक किया, लेकिन आप उसको फिर कहते हैं पीछे हट जाओ.
हाँ, फिर आप या तो पीछे आ जाओ.
पीछे आ
तो
जाओ.
मतलब इट्स
तो
लाइक
अब उसके बाद जो है दूसरी कंट्री की क्या थ्योरी है, दैट इज ए डिफरेंट दिस थिंग.
अभी यहाँ पे जो था मामा जी ने गोली खाई 65 में. He had such a major this thing almost
In
came
Punjab.
from the
पंजाब एरिया.
going up to Lahore, and अब वो कभी कभी बात करो तो कहते हैं कि यार it is कि मतलब ये हमने किया क्यों, मतलब किस चीज के लिए किया हमने वो.
The forces reached up to Chogil Canal, just which goes to
वो
the.
तो कहते थे ना लाहौर की वो क्लब हाउस में कॉफी विस्की मार के आ रहे हैं मतलब. सो लास्ट क्वेश्चन टू यू एंड देन वी विल कंक्लूड इट इज
So what I am telling you is that, see, you asked me one question about that, the political table, this thing. See, even when should we go there? Nowadays there is a lot of this thing कि during Manmohan's period forces were told not to conflict with, not to conflict with. No, what I'm media report I am telling. It is not it.
मीडिया तो एक इधर या तो उधर.
हाँ,
There is
तो
no.
then who comes in picture? Because the army is not directly there. They are ordered only to go.
Correct.
They are ordered only to go. Otherwise, the management is with this Home Ministry, and Home Ministry will take action only if something MEA says कि भाई वो हमारा border यहीं तक, आप वहाँ कहाँ जा रहे हो?
Political will जरूरी है ना.
Political will जरूरी है.
See,
Political will जरूरी है.
valor of the people is not less. Valor of people are there. हम लोगों ने 62 वॉर में भी
And the
चाइनीज भी आज की डेट में तारीफ करते हैं इस बात की कि 303 लेके बंदा खड़ा है. 20 लोग एक पोस्ट में खड़े हैं, 3-3 हज़ार लोग आ रहे हैं, लेकिन फोर्सेस ने उन्होंने सरेंडर नहीं किया, छोड़ा नहीं. जो 62 वॉर के टाइम पे
हाँ.
मतलब वो 303 लेके बैठे हुए हैं. लेकिन प्रॉब्लम आ जाती है पॉलिटिकल विल को लेकर. अल्टीमेटली पॉलिटिकल विल की ही प्रॉब्लम होती है.
I am telling you, one person was Jaswant Singh Rawat. He was the 4th Garhwal rifleman of 21 years old.
तो अपना क्या नाम उनका जो वो पहाड़ बना हुआ है ऊपर,
जसवंतगढ़ बना हुआ है.
जसवंतगढ़ जो है.
And he was helped by 2 girls of the
अरुणाचल.
Mompa girls, Mompa tribe,
करेक्ट.
Sela
हाँ,
and Norba,
करेक्ट.
है ना. they were bringing him morning tea, etc., or meal, evening there. And you know, they were also fighting with him. And our whole battalion was wounded or something like that. 300 to 400 persons were injured or something. Alone, he killed in 2 nights 300 Chinese at Jaswantgarh, Shela Pass here.
ये took the this time ना height पे उसने वो ले लिया था ना.
हाँ, हाइट पे और ले लिया था. और वो दोनों both those girls, they were supplying him all these things.
यानी अब जाके बॉलीवुड को याद आ गई और एक मूवी बना दी.
मूवी पता है
बना दी. वो पहले उन्होंने ये गैंगस्टर वगैरह की पूरी कंप्लीट कर दी है. अब उनको ये हीरोज
जसवंतगढ़ का जो है.
सो लास्ट आई हैव दिस थिंग. एक बहुत लास्ट क्वेश्चन है.
आई हैव सीन द जसवंतगढ़.
हाँ, मैं बहुत लास्ट क्वेश्चन है. तो थोड़ा कैमरा का बैटरी डाउन हो गई. तो आई हैड अ लास्ट क्वेश्चन एज आई टोल्ड यू. And it is something which is unofficial, of course, okay, and which I heard long back, you know. मैंने कहा ना बचपन में बहुत चीज़ें सुनी थी. एक बड़ा अच्छा अपने पता नहीं कहाँ डिस्कशन आप लोगों के चल रहे थे और एक बड़ी बात हुई थी कि भाई during one of the diplomat levels meeting, then one of the Chinese has said this. जब कहा कि भाई why we can't trust China, तो उन्होंने कहा भाई you are the country जिन्होंने एक कंट्री को 2 पार्ट में डिवाइड कर दिया. एक कंट्री में प्लेबिसाइड करके अपने अंदर ले गए. Why do you say you can't trust China? How can we trust you? So वो क्या था?
मुझे ठीक से याद नहीं है.
तो but I think historically not incorrect actually.
हाँ, तो हिस्टोरिकली वो तो है. चाइना का तो वैसे ही है. तो अपने मतलब के लिए. और मेन एजेंडा उसका ये है, हाउ टू बिकम ए टॉप पावर. एंड द टॉप पावर दे कैन बिकम ओनली बाय इकोनॉमी, नॉट बाय फाइटिंग.
But how come is it like that?
And their main aim is that to sell their goods. Now they want to go on American or Russian pattern or even French pattern to manufacture the arms and give it.
So basically अगर आप देखा जाए तो हम एक कन्वेंशनल नेशन से नहीं डील कर रहे. एक तरफ तो कर ही नहीं रहे हैं, वो तो मतलब अलग ही एक चीज़ है. आईटी क्राइसिस में है एक साइड का नेशन. तो दूसरा नेशन जो है इट इज़ मोर ऑफ लाइक it's like a company which is having a force which is known as theater, you know. So I don't think so they have any conventional or you know it's not I mean they're not a nation type of you know, it's just एक व्यवस्था है. In fact I was surprised कि PLA को भी PLA is not Chinese army, it's a army of the Communist Party of China. So it's not even a Chinese army.
What is the communism that is there? Everything is in their that what is they called their main group. That main forum here. Even see, can you imagine even in India this CPM, Marxist Communist Party Marxist, they have a system कि once you become a MP for Rajya Sabha or something like that, second time you will not go.
बट ये एक लेवल तक तो चलता है, उसके बाद तो लाइफ लॉन्ग बन जाते हैं. जैसे अब स्टालिन के साथ भी यही हुआ, अभी इसके साथ भी यही हो रखा है.
इसका भी ऐसी हुआ.
अब इसने भी ये कर दिया, अपने आप को लाइफ टाइम कर दिया.
हाँ, उसके लिए नहीं है, टॉप के लिए नहीं कर रहा हूँ मैं. तो यहाँ इंडिया की बात कर रहा हूँ, उनका अपना
वो तो जब तक टॉप पे नहीं है.
जब तक टॉप पे नहीं.
ये तो वो है
टॉप पे. यहाँ जब सीएम जैसे सीएम रहे, क्या कहते हैं,
ज्योति बसु है.
ज्योति बसु. तो ज्योति बसु at one stage he was the one person who was the longest CM. हाँ. Although his record has been beaten by Chamling.
I don't know, आज हमें बात करनी चाहिए, I think नहीं करनी चाहिए, काफी हमने कर लिया.
और वो रिकॉर्ड करेगा.
लेकिन मुझे एक आपसे अगली बार बात करूँगा. एक तो मैं वो श्रीलंका और तिब्बत वाला, सॉरी बुद्धिस्ट इन श्रीलंका एंड चाइना, एंड दूसरा डेफिनेटली आई वुड लाइक टू talk about some very hot topic of late, that Rajiv Gandhi Foundation. That is I think the topic we should talk about next time. But in the meantime, thank you very much. आपने आप बहुत सालों की मेहनत के बाद, almost 10-12 साल की मेहनतों के बाद आपने you agreed to come and speak about the things. And so gentlemen,
there are so many things which we cannot say. So many things are outside.
Well, that's what I'm saying कि आपने मेरे ख्याल से 0.1% हमें कभी बताया होगा, और उसका भी वो भी मेरे ख्याल से
you would have only overheard.
हाँ, overheard होगा. I think वो hard word था, हम बोलते भी नहीं थे.
Overheard.
हमारे
The-
तो
the-
स्कूल में एक जोक हुआ करता
The
था
way
के थे हम लोग।
the way when I was sent to धर्मशाला,
हाँ, पर वो भी एक बार आपसे बाद में बात करूंगा, वो भी अगली
धर्मशाला
बार
जब
में।
गए थे तो मॉर्निंग में जब मैं जा रहा था मुझे, तो तुम ही थे ना बैठे हुए, चाय पी रहे थे।
बट वो वो अच्छी
when the-
स्टोरी है,
when the-
उसमें हम लोग
when-
बाद में बात करेंगे।
नहीं, नहीं,
नेक्स्ट टॉपिक।
उसमें मत करो, रिकॉर्ड मत करो, रिकॉर्डिंग हो रही।
हाँ, अभी कर रहे हैं, तो अभी नेक्स्ट वाले में करते हैं इसको, अभी हम वो करके देन वी विल टॉक अबाउट इट।
So
So
that
thank
is-
you very much.
there are so
And
many
Papa, let's conclude it.
Hmm.
So thank you very much. We will come back shortly with the second part of the discussions, and of course if it is liked by the people. All right. Thank you very much. Namaskar.
Okay.